y'all hate, the more people will elevate. Look out on a class, Rosealee, and bring her right
You
down to
don't
the
see
ground.
how Rosealee
And look
calls
at that.
mother
She
for
was
man.
booked for an event in England to appear with Rosealee and a few other artists or TikTokers. Look at that. Look how on the class, so she can't hold band play. I bet it's a shaggy fit. I bet it's a shaggy fit. Yeah, man, like, understand, so the more we talk about people, whether good or bad, and more traction and engagement I give them, and the more them are go up, and them are go up, and them are go up, and them are go up. Tell you the best way to
take our mother, man.
Not talk about
you take for your mother, she take for her mother, man, you know.
For that. The more, like, the more we like somebody,
she take her mother, man, too.
The more they want to talk about them, and legit, that's it.
She take her mother, man.
Creators or whatever it is, live streamers, whatever they classify themselves as.
No scream for the girl, she take her mother, man.
That's it. Good or bad, we don't care. As long as y'all talk, our revenue is gonna go up.
She take her mother, man.
The more we share, we now in a group chat for spread hate and talk all of foolishness.
Pink call one with the girl, she take for her mother, man, like Rosealee.
To get rid of somebody is to leave them alone and not to even mention them at all. But in a can of that, so the people that are gonna always win. The more y'all hate, the more people will elevate. Look out on a class, Rosealee, and bring her right down to the ground. And look at that.
Screenshot this, she take for your mother, man, too.
For an event in England to appear with Rosealee and a few other
top of the screen, guys. Top of the screen for that girl to take for your mother, man, like Rosealee.
She can't hold band play. I bet it's a shaggy fit. I bet it's a shaggy fit. Yeah, man, like, understand, so the more we talk about people, whether good or bad, and more traction and engagement I give them, and the more them are going to go up, and them are going to go up, and them are going to go up, and them are going to go up. Tell you, the best way to cancel somebody is to not talk about them and a business with them at all.
Auntie, you play too much?
Like, the more...
Come on, live. Come on, my next page.
The more I want to talk about
but last day, because when I caught me, I talk about if you stop playing with me because I jump off. Like, if you stop it, auntie, my credit is done. Your son, you ever hear my guana?
As long as y'all talk.
Oh. I'll be going next one.
Bring her for an event in England. And I'm other but it's a shaggy fit.
Then you're shaggy, Sama. Hey, auntie. And she never knew that. Yeah, it's a cancel. I'm sending a message to word dog. Send a message to Rosealee if it cancel. Rosealee, if you apologize to her mother, no. Everybody that talks to Rosealee, if you apologize to her mother, you cannot sit up like that with auntie. Because her mother wicked. You hear about it?
Me, what I'm see it.
Oh, you don't see the Angel Japan TikTok because I'm mad about man. GX.
Yeah.
Every man people never talk about it. Auntie Pamba man people never talk about it. And I call her mama old guy. And she take a girl, man, and she don't respond at young. Oh, you can't talk a thing like that. Auntie, and this is one I know auntie I talk about it. This is one, yeah.
Class, Rosealee, and bring her.
Oh, people class Rosealee. She take for your mother, man, too, you know, the girl, yeah.
For an event in England to appear with Rosealee and
she take for your mother, man, too, the girl, yeah.
Look at that, look how in the class, so she can't hold band play. I bet it's a shaggy fit. I bet it's a shaggy fit.
Don't think cookie come up
I got England alone and carry.
Me a friend in England. Me I go England for 6 months. Dead dog. How much it took the road that I go England? Me I go for 6 months.
You the best way to cancel somebody.
Me not friend for me not friend so me I go a year me I go England drunk.
The more like the more
I mean I come back.
the more
You talk about me back leave I go dead dog. Come out with the drunk cook here. You take your mama man too. Come off of this dog shit. Come off of dog shit.
We just need y'all to keep
But I scream
talking.
at team. I England, Malay, England, and out.
Our revenue is gonna go up.
We don't be with Rosealee. Come off of yourself. Come off on a dead dog. You come off drunk. Come off drunk. Rosealee slime.
Get rid of somebody is too.
Rosealee cause I'm gonna drunk. Everybody attack for a man. You're not gonna put them like make them bring you down and run after them life.
Channelie, big up yourself. Wagwan. Wagwan.
And she said, "Mother like her."
I'm a team. Tap this.
She said, "Mother like him." And she said, "Come to Rosalie and tell me, Rosalie, no, you cannot diss your mother like that. You cannot diss your mother like that. And cut your mother like this. Great. Anybody uphold Rosalie, them uphold too. Them go away. Auntie, you cannot support your company live and a cut. But you cut your mother after that, remember that. The whole world here, Rosalie cuts her mama. The whole world here, Rosalie cuts her mother.
Oi!
Tap up the screen, guys. Send song if you're going to representants. The world know Rosalie cuts her mother.
Thank you, Channelie. Thank you.
And we send out the message to then if it's cancel Rosalie, then cancel Rosalie. Nobody now support Rosalie after me Rosalie go kaka. I mean a friend of England and them say them attack about it at England. Bumbo clan. Go man.
Shall we score me team?
Tap up the screen, guys. Send song if you're
Me want team. Me want one team. One more one team.
me no want go to England. Me have to go to England. Call me a go me look at my visa already.
Just number one. Come on, me team.
Call one time me visa block what
Yeah.
I'm about England.
Thank you. Thank you for the rose. Thank you.
My phone a blood clot, so me go for population. Each and everybody, I will talk about Rosalie cuss her mother for man.
That's already in pen.
Rosalie cuss her mother for man. I can't talk about.
You know the one in pen now.
No pussy man. Jesus Christ, come off for this blood clot man. Uncle me here. Uncle me here. Uncle me no hear you. You want hear me now? Me I beg some help. Me I got the doctor. Me I beg a look at $20. Look at $20 me I beg. Me I beg something today. Me I beg something. Me I got a doctor alone. See me and Bonnie go, oh, you doing, uncle? I'm one go to the doctor now. Uncle feels sick. Run a Hackle Park Road, me I go. Be nice, yeah, so. Nobody can make some gift. Me I beg 2 donuts. Me I beg 2 donuts. Add some flowers. Please, me I beg some flowers up there. So please, me I beg, you know. Give some flowers. Give some flowers.
Well, go on, uncle.
Yeah. Me see that put up your house. I hear house that me see you put up.
Yeah, but me not have no roof. Me I look help with a roof. If I have one room,
Let me know see somebody. Let me know see somebody that. Yeah, somebody that one man. But me not come on the level. Me want to come this week. Me just come off.
oh, me try to share it to people and get people for it, but nobody don't really share it.
Mm-hmm.